I keep it. Wow. Life is great talaga kapag hindi ka nagmamadali magayos. Ito ang finishing touches ko every time umaalis ako. My earrings today are all from Cali. Cali. But this one is from... Who are you from? I think from Cali din. I feel so renewed kasi nag-dark hair na ulit ako. Spray a bit of texture spray. Kasi my hair is most likely babagsak kapag lumabas na tayo. Actually, iniisip ko rin kung anong sapatos ko. I mean, bagay dito yung sandals ko na parang heels na mukha siyang slippers. Pero kasi hindi pa ako nakapagpa-pedicure. So, baka ma-judge ako pag tinignan nila yung paa ko. So, today's perfume, we are going to go with the Jo Malone Poppy and Barley Cologne. Apang finishing touches natin, magko-contact lens ako. Wala pala ako nakikita. Ako lang ba also, kapag clear contact, ang dali niya isuot. Mas matagal ko siyang nasusuot without any discomfort. Tapos, ang dali tanggalin. Pero, if I wear colored contacts, lagi ako naluluha. No matter what solution, kahit same lang, there's something about colored contacts that hurts my eyes. So, I don't know if that's a theory na gawa ko lang sa ulo ko or totoo siya. So, let me know. Kapag setting spray, I'm just gonna use MAC Fix Plus. Also pala, when I go to events, kapag nakakita ko ng mga friends ko, tas sobrang ganda ng base makeup nila, I ask them, what is your base routine? And one consistent thing that they all answered is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. I can attest na how this looks on camera right now is how it looks in real life. And hindi to sa ginagas up ko yung sarili ko, nagyayabang ako. Kasi usually, maganda siya sa camera, pero like in person, it does look kind of cakey. But this time, hindi talaga. Tapos I apply it with a puff. This one is from Fresh. Anyway, bye. Ay, yung bangs ko, oh my gosh. Yeah. But, wow. Wow. Sarang pageant. Bye!